I got a low battery right here on my camera, so I'm gonna speed this up. My name is David. Okay, no one cares about the name. Throw that out of the way. So as promised, I am gonna be giving out things every single month. These items are here to help you with your business. First item I'm giving out, let me go ahead and just wrap them around right here. I'm giving out this audio guest book. I'm announcing the winner on the 17th. So the 17th of every month, I'm gonna be announcing the winner because 1 + 7 is 8, and 8 is a very special number. Look it up in numerology. And the reason I'm giving out the audio guest book is because this channel is about helping you grow your business. So this audio guest book is going to be a great gift for someone in the business to help you bring more money in, baby. So I hope this inspires you. I'm going to be announcing the winner every 17th, every single month. On top of that, I'm going to be giving out other gifts, including Snapic memberships, a whole month, which is like 169, I believe. So I'm going to be giving that stuff out too as well because I enjoy the software. And what else, guys? I guess that's pretty much going to be a wrap. Stay tuned in, subscribe, and comment in the bottom. I want to win. Hashtag I want to win. I'm giving out free photo booths too. No one else on YouTube throughout the entire YouTube realm. No one's giving out stuff like I am in the photo booth industry. And that right there, I'm proud to say. I'm going to keep it gangster. All right, peace out, guys. Bye.